delicious Rainbow Rice Krispies. For this recipe, you will need Rice Krispies, marshmallows, chocolate, butter, and sprinkles. You also need a pan, a spatula, baking tin, scissors, a spoon, and a piping bag. First, we need to melt the butter. This may take a while, but that's okay. Now the butter's melted, we can put the marshmallows in, but do it carefully. It's starting to get all gooey. You can see some bubbles. Keep stirring until it's nice and smooth. Now it's all smooth. We've taken it off the stove, and now it's time to add the Rice Krispies. Now it's time to mix. It's sticking. You can see like little marshmallow cobwebs in here. Whoa, all stringy. Now the Rice Krispies are all mixed in. It's time to put them in the baking tin. You might need a grown-up to help. Now I need to squish it in the pan, but it's going to be very sticky, so I'm going to put some butter on my hands. We need to let it cool. Now they're cool, time to decorate. We melt the chocolate and then put it into a piping bag. Now let's cut open the top so we can pipe it. Rainbow sprinkles. Now I just need to wait for the chocolate to set, and then we can try them. I can't wait to eat them. It's so yummy. Should we see if Dexter wants one? Let's go. Do you want to eat it?
Is it yummy? Delicious? Scrummy? Did Willow make a good treat?